Let's keep going. If you're still confused, no worries. So we left off, we know we have 23 years, and we know that 365 days are in a year. So that's 365 times 23. Imagine 23 groups, and in each group, there's 365 days. So I'm going to do 365 times 23. Now remember, you can use your calculator. You're welcome. 365 times 23 equals. Let's double check and make sure that's correct. 365 times 23 equals. So that, wow, that's 8,395 days. In 23 years, there are 8,395 days. All right, now I have days. So now I'm ready to write my equation to match the problem. So let's go ahead and write that. So my equation would be 47,844 divided by 8,395 equals n. Now what does n represent? N represents, let's go back to my question, how many miles per day? So let's go ahead and type that. Now, I know that the farm truck does not go the same amount of miles per day. However, we're asking on average. So let's go to our calculator. 47,844 divided by 8,395 equals, oh wow, it definitely has a remainder. So n equals 5, and we'll round it to the nearest hundredth. So that's 69 hundredths. Let's round it to 70 hundredths or 70 tenths or 7 tenths. This is what it equals, or almost. 5 miles and 70 hundredths or 7 tenths of a mile per day. So now you might be thinking 5 miles is not that far, but the truck stays on the farm. The truck does not go off the farm. So I know that's a reasonable answer, especially because of the background knowledge I have. Next, we have to check our work. So I have to multiply my miles per day times the days in a year. Let's see. I'm going to keep this number in my calculator because it's exact. I'm going to multiply by 8,395, and I get back to 47,844. So now I've checked my work. Now I'm going to let you label the quotient, dividend, and divisor in your equation down here. I'm also going to let you answer the question in a complete sentence. The rest I've done with you. I know you can do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this problem, and I can't wait to see your work.